Hello! Today I present you Easy Clip, the new polymer clips for manifold bracket. Easy Clip are very strong thanks to the polymer P6.6. They also have excellent vibration dampening properties. This polymer has an excellent recyclability index even at the end of its life. In addition, Easy Clip can be simply opened and closed by hand, making the installer's job easier and faster. Here is a practical example of how to install a manifold on the new Easy Clip brackets from IVAR. For more information, please contact our Linea Arancho. See you in the next video.